Hey y'all, Dr. Campbell here. So I just finished your current events and then the grading of your Great Britain chapter questions, and I just wanted to make a couple comments here, and then here are the notes for those comments. You can pause this if you want to read those, but I'm just going to go over them quickly here. So current events, reasons that you might not have gotten full credit. You didn't give an adequate initial response with a decent summary by Wednesday at 6 p.m. or you didn't have two adequate responses to your classmates by 6 p.m. on Sunday when the responses were due. You had an initial post due on Wednesday and then the responses due on Sunday. And then within that, you could have also, like, your responses to your classmates are within 5 minutes apart. So if you have a response that are even within, I would say, 1 to 6 or 7 minutes apart, it means that you're not fully reading your classmates' summary and then not reading the article, both of which need to be read in order to comment on those. And then also I put down here, I'm not looking for knock it out of the park every single time, but so I outline what adequate is. And that means that you're putting in enough effort that it looks like you have a thoughtful and appropriate comment to your classmate. And then with the initial post, that would mean that it looks like you put some time in and what you're saying makes sense to me. And then I put Ebony in there. She had a great example of, for her current event, both responses and initial post. She also had a great set of chapter questions for, or I guess answers, if you will, for the Great Britain chapter questions. So if you want to see what someone's responses look like, or all the homework for which she got an A for this time, please look at what she did versus what you did. And what she's doing is my expectations for an A. Now on the chapter questions, you either earned full credit, so that was a 4, or something less than that. And then you got some comment from me like more effort was needed for full credit, or maybe you didn't get, because I think I was just going to mention that here. I don't believe I gave comments. It was either you got a 4, which means you did a great job, keep doing what you're doing, or you got less than a 4, which means to me that you still need more. I need to see more effort. I need to see fuller questions. A lot of what I saw was simply restating the question back to me and then adding two words to complete the sentence. These should be multiple sentence answers. So I know that it's hard to know what the expectations are for a certain class. So now I'm hoping that this feedback will let you know what the expectations are. And if you want to do well, you'll meet those expectations. And if you're fine getting the B or C for these types of homeworks, then you are also then be comfortable with that. But again, I'm more than willing to work with you. I'm giving you clear guidelines, clear expectations, and please let me know if you have any questions or comments. And I hope you guys had a great Tuesday. Okay, bye-bye.